Hello everyone, I am Fazina Binti Majahedin. My metric number is 25DDT 20F 2003. I and my friend going to present PPT1. First, we have to install the Ubuntu in VirtualBox.
Hi everyone, my name is Nisha Chandran and my metric number 2007. Today we want to show some videos of Explorer, the difference between Ubuntu and Windows. First of all, I want to show what default app in Windows. First, we need to click Window or Start button in our desktop. Click the settings symbol settings here. So now we want to see the default apps. First, we click here apps. You can see the apps and features, default apps, online maps, apps for website and etc. And also we can search here default apps. We can use two ways. This is the default apps. Here got emails, maps, musics, photos and videos, Google Chrome and etc. In email we can use these four apps. Usually I use Google Chrome, so I just click Google Chrome. Maps got one only, photos, videos. After that, here got Google Chrome. Web browser, we got above 5 web browsers for usually students or people using Google Chrome. So I just click Google Chrome. After that, I scroll down. Here got choose default apps by types. I just click. Okay, this is the screen, and we got lots of apps, default apps in our desktop. Here and the right side, we got the name and size of file for each nearby site. Next, I want to show which application we can download. Usually, in desktop Windows, we can download any app in Microsoft app. So this is the Microsoft app, and we can search here whatever apps we want. Example, I just search Video Maker. The apps we can easily download the free downloaded. If we see the amount, we cannot, not only cannot, but we need to pay for this app. So we just click one app.
Okay, differences between Windows and Ubuntu. The first is default software application provided in Ubuntu is first we go to settings and search for the default apps. Default apps applications are provided in Ubuntu is on website, Firefox web browser. For mail, Thunderbird Mail. For calendar, text editor. And for music, Rhythm Box. For Windows, only Windows they have provided. Photos for image viewer. This is the default application in Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, you can click Ubuntu software directly, and you can download any app you have needed. Can be downloaded in Ubuntu software in Ubuntu. Now, I want to show how to download any app from Ubuntu software. Okay, I click education section, then I click on learn it, and I click install. This can be downloaded, license also free, so easy to download. So click on install only. Then they ask for the password. Have we set up in installation Ubuntu and preparing to install. That's all for the installation apps in Ubuntu software.
The second difference between Windows and Ubuntu is desktop environment. Hi, finally I just click start button, and here got setting, and I click, and here got system. Just click and I scroll down. Here got about, and this is the specification and features of the device name, RAM 4 GB, and device ID, product ID, system type 64-bit operating system, and X64 base processor. And here got Windows specification, edition version 2004, installed on system operation build experience. This is my part of device specification. Next, How to go to setting for update dates? Click start button, go to setting, and we got the time and language. Just click that. Here we got the uh, date and time. We can just change here. Here got lots of uh, timing, so we just follow our country and state. If we choose here, the time and date will automatically change. If we get the updates, we want to update the dates. Normally we get notification from this setting, so we just click the notification, the time and date will change automatically. Okay, next I want to show how to getting started or how to click more icons in desktop. First of all, the first we need to click is start button or window button here, and here we got list of application, and we can click it up for open this application. The desktop will find the file explorer. We can open and view all folder in desktop. Here got lots of documents, folders, and now I want to close the window by click the X. Let's check more features in desktop. We just open any document from desktop. Any documents from desktop. Open any desktop. Each time we open something, it will appear in new window. We just move and drag by using mouse. We can maximize the entire screen. Click the square top of windows. So we click here to maximize the entire screen, and click again to the small screen. After finish, just close the window by click the X. Okay, next I want to show desktop environment about the windows. I will show about the windows. This is my desktop screen, and we got start button. We got lots of notification, and we got uh, battery percentage, volume increase decrease, and internet connection. So first we just click start button. We go to settings, and we can see the different types of settings in desktop. Next,
In desktop environment, the differences between Windows and Ubuntu. In Ubuntu, you first go to settings and go to about. In Ubuntu, the device name is I have set up Huawei VirtualBox, and the memory is 4.1 GB, and the processor is AMD Ryzen 5 3500 with Radeon Vega Mobile GFX. The graphics is LLVM pipe. Version is 11.00 and 256 bits. This capacity 33.6 GB. The OS name is Ubuntu. The OS type is 64-bit, and the version GNOME version is 3.368. The Windows system is X11. The virtualization is Oracle. That's all for the Ubuntu. For software updates, we go to setting and go to about. The lastly we can find software updates. Click on that. Then they ask for the password to unlock. Then they show Ubuntu software download from main server. They install from the CD-ROM or DVD. This setting will update all the updates when we have to update the software. Okay, in Ubuntu, for example, I show how to use the Ubuntu Windows or icons. So first we click on web browser. Then we click to files, and we click on header box. This all create a different icons, so we can what we can use. So we select which one we want to use now in icons. So we can remove also X, and we create two web browser also in one time. So we have two. So we want to remove one or remove two, we can use select So we want to remove all, so click to Windows, so it will be removed. And then if you want to add favorite icons, this one is the activities. It's all of favorites that we have usually used apps. So we want to add a favorite item. So in applications, we will just add addition one. So we right click, add to favorites. So it will be add in our favorites. In activities, we click activities. Example, we click this one, then the box, and LibreOffice in all time lah. So we click additional drivers. Then we click on activities, which icon we opens, so it will be shown in activities. Either one we click to, which one you want to do, click first to do your activity. Close the icons if you don't want. That's all for Ubuntu in desktop environment.
Next, now I want to show the drive and say it the name that you have explained window. So first of all, I just click File Explorer and click this PC, and we got the drive and device. It's Acer C. This is my storage in my device, and this is the data D. And here also got some folders. The third difference between Ubuntu and Windows is main file structure. Okay, now I want to show how to create a folder indirectly. So we just open File Explorer, document, we just click here new folder, rename as a whatever new documents. So we save. Okay, last and final, I want to show now how to save a file indirectly in a folder. So we just open Microsoft Word and choose blank document, and we just save anything. Type example my name, my full name, my metric number, and my class, my lecture name. That's all. So now I save the file. Save as rows, and I choose document. The folder I just newly create this one. Double tap and I just save my name. Click save button, and the document will save in. So now we go to the File Explorer. We just click documents and search the newly document, and here we got the file that we have saved. So this is the way we can save a new file in documents create directly. Thank you.
The third differences between Windows and Ubuntu is main file structure. In main file structure, we go to first file manager and desktop. First is separator. In separator, in Ubuntu have only root folder or slash. These are the folders. Second point, how to create a folder or file in file system. First we go to file manager and go to desktop and right click and click new folder and name it documents. Then it will be create a folder. For save a folder is in Ubuntu, just create a document or anything writing. Okay, just click on file and save as. Just now we create a folder in documents and click save, and it will automatically save in documents. So first we check, go to file manager and go to desktop and documents. We can get the save one. Click that one, save. This is how to save a file indirectly.
The last difference between Windows and Ubuntu is sharing process from Windows to Ubuntu. Then in Windows, we just create one file from Ubuntu and I copy one image from my desktop. I just and go to the PC. I just paste in Windows. Paste ready, and then I go to Ubuntu. I reload the file to get the picture that I copy. So here I get ready the picture, and finally we no need any application from Windows to share any pictures from Ubuntu.
The fourth differences is sharing process from Windows to Ubuntu and vice versa. For this, first we go to Ubuntu and go to settings in VirtualBox, and then go to click share folders, and then click the plus folder button and add share. In folder part, click others and click that you have created a folder that name is share files. Click that you have created the name share files. Select the folder, and then folder type, folder name, the folder type you have click on auto mount, and then click OK. After that, click OK. Then start the Ubuntu and click your username and put your password, and then click on files. Click on the SF share files that you have created. This location could not be displayed, so you just click OK, and then you go to terminal. In terminal, you click sudo and you create a password for sudo at user. Then they said done. After that, go to files again, pick a picture in pictures and move to or copy this picture and paste in the share file. Again, that will show this location could not be displayed. After that, power off the Ubuntu and on again, and then go to copy the picture from pictures and paste in share files, and it will be paste ready. After in Windows, you go to desktop, this PC, and click on Windows C and click on the you created file share files. Then you can see the Ubuntu file that you can be found in Windows. So this is how sharing processor from Ubuntu to Windows. That's all from our group. Thank you.